that's when I'm now beginning to do the course better. Like I'm beginning to and
Boom.
but all the before I think the whole year last year I was even my journaling I was like I went back to my journaling. It was last year. It was exactly
I
last.
hate Josh course. I hate Josh course.
No, because last year it around Vaisakhi. This is our Punjabi New Year, right? So
Yeah, today is
I
Basaki.
wrote my last journal in around Vaisakhi. Yesterday I picked up the book to do some journaling, and I was like, oh, I've not done this a whole year. Coming after it after a whole year.
But
Yes.
remember, Chajinder, when you signed up, like this was a big part of what we talked about, right?
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
emotional, mental component. Because, and I was very clear, I was like, I can teach you all the technical stuff. That's
Mhm.
not hard, right? None
Yeah.
of this, it's a lot, right? I remember saying it's a lot, but it's not hard.
Yeah.
And, the biggest part was the emotional part.
Yeah.
That's been a huge transformation for you. So when you're thinking about this, uh, these journal entries and looking back at the progress you've made over the past year, I think one thing that you ladies should bear in mind is you are living a really great quote, which is be the student you want to attract.